Good day everyone! Welcome to our hiking preparation vlog.
Today we'll be hiking on Mount Parawagan.
I'm Jan Owen.
And I'm Ian Ray Sarco.
And I'm Marcus Tor.
Let's get
started.
Today, we are going to hike to Mount Parawagan, located at Montalban, Rodriguez, Rizal.
Mount Parawagan has an elevation of around 426 meters above the sea level, consideration of for a friendly beginner mountain.
It is known for its open grassland, trails, rocky paths, and beautiful views of the surrounding mountains. This mountain is popular among students and first-time hikers because of its accessible location and manageable difficulty.
Before hiking, we need to prepare our backpack properly.
We will going now to show you our camping bag, which is this bag.
Our first, we need a hammock, duyan, Tagalog. Other than this, jacket, the waterproof jacket. Then, some essentials, power bank, and mini electric fan. Meron pa tayo dito shirts, mini shirt, pampalit, water for daily. Meron. You have a flashlight and ball pen. Yung ball pen na yan, may kasama pa yung pito. Sunglasses, syempre. Yun! Paglalagyan ng mga maduming gamit, kailangan natin yan. Another gamit namin is cotton buds, gamot, wipes, alcohol. Our last is notebook. Kailangan natin yan. Stay with the group and follow the established trail. Listen to your group leader and magsabi agad pag hindi ka magandang nararamdaman o pagod ka na.
Regularly, rest when needed, and hike your own pace.
Proper preparation and discipline.
Hiking at Mount Parawagan will be safe and enjoyable experience.
Thank you for watching.